Healthy holidays, tribe. Alex Denise here. The holiday season can be a snare for mindless eating and high-carb snacking. So, I'm going to toss you a bone and share with you a healthier version of the dinnertime staple, cornbread dressing. It's also keto and diabetic friendly without compromising quality and taste, so you can enjoy dinner guilt-free. Tame your vicious appetite until the end of the video, subscribe to the tribe, and attack that like button for more wholesome, healthy meals. I've got my low-carb eggnog ready, so let's get to it. Depending on your party size, double or triple the ingredients to make extra. To make a personal serving, divide ingredients by half. This batch is good for at least 5 people with normal portions. First, you have to make the cornbread as a base, starting with the wet ingredients. So, preheat your oven to 325. Get a clean pan and rub either coconut oil, olive oil, melted butter, or ghee around the pan. Next, add 4 large eggs, a half a cup of water, a half a cup of heavy whipping cream, a half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 10 drops of liquid stevia, 8 tablespoons of melted butter, which comes out to a whole stick. Now for the dry ingredients. 2 cups of almond flour. If allergic, use pecan flour. 4 tablespoons of coconut flour. 2 tablespoons golden flaxseed meal. 1 tablespoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of onion powder. Sprinkle in sage and pepper, but this is optional. Mix well. And bake on 325 for 20 minutes. Let it cool for at least 30 minutes and prepare the next ingredients. If you are the person that enjoy extra goodies in your dressing, now is the time to prepare them as the cornbread cools. You can add celery, cranberries, parts of the turkey or chicken. I'm using sweet onions and green bell pepper from the last of my harvest. Be sure to hunt down other self-sufficient content on the Mother channel. Now that the cornbread has cooled, chop it up. Add your desired mixed toppings. You'll need 1 8 to 10 ounce can of cream of chicken for every 2 servings. So, if making another batch of these ingredients, add 1 more can. Less than this batch, half a can. But here's the challenge. Unless you make it from scratch, it's difficult to find a clean, low net carb version of this ingredient, as many commercial brands use modified cornstarch as a thickener or other questionable ingredients like maltodextrin and soy protein isolates. Even healthier brands labeled keto friendly. If you find a brand with cleaner ingredients and a bit better in terms of net carbs, drop a comment below. The goal here is to be as low carb as possible. And for the most part, we're winning. Next, 1 egg. Now the seasonings. Sprinkle in onion powder, garlic powder, basil, and a half a teaspoon of sage. I recommend aiming for a good balance and going easy on strong spices such as sage and garlic unless you love it. Pour a small amount of chicken stock on the mix for moisture. If sodium is a concern for you, opt for a low sodium version or make your own. You will only pour a little at a time as needed so the dressing doesn't dry out during cooking. Also, a capful of authentic olive oil can add healthy fats and help lock in that moisture. Continue to mix until well incorporated. I'm going to top it off with a bit more stock, then bake it in the oven on 350 for 40 minutes. I know, looks amazingly delicious, and it tastes pretty much identical to the original. Let me know how it goes for you in the comments section. Feel free to hunt down other recipes on my channel and scout out the mother channel for more self-sufficient content. Until next time, skills are the new wealth. Seek God and nature for good health. Eat wild, live free. Happy healthy holidays!